Welcome back to Motor Insight, your go-to destination for real-world reviews and two-wheel truths. Today, we're on the 2025 Triumph Speed Twin 1200, a modern classic that blends retro aesthetics with sharp, modern performance. Triumph says it's more refined, more responsive, and just as iconic. Let's hit the road and see how it holds up. Design and styling. At first glance, the Speed Twin 1200 hasn't changed much, and that's a good thing. The tank, the stance, the symmetry, it's classic Triumph. Subtle updates like new colorways and bronze engine accents give it a modern edge. It's clean, purposeful, and unmistakably British. No unnecessary panels or plastic, just a muscular street machine with timeless style. Engine and performance. Powering it is the familiar 1,200 cubic centimeters high-power Bonneville engine. It makes 99 horsepower and 112 Newton-meters of torque, delivered with smooth urgency. Roll-on power in second and third gear feels strong, and the throttle response in sport mode is sharp without being twitchy. The torque band is wide and forgiving, ideal for both spirited riding and casual cruising. And yes, the exhaust note still growls with that signature British twin character. Ride and handling. Handling is where the Speed Twin quietly shines. The updated 43mm Marzocchi forks up front and twin rear shocks are firmer than before, giving it more stability and quicker turn-in. It stays composed through fast sweepers and feels agile in tight urban corners. The low center of gravity helps, and the chassis strikes a confident balance between comfort and control. Tech and features. Technology is kept simple but smart. You get 3 ride modes, rain, road, and sport, plus switchable traction control and ABS. The torque assist clutch keeps things light at the lever. Instrumentation remains analog-inspired, with twin clocks and a small LCD insert. No touchscreen or fancy menus. Just straightforward, functional tech that supports the ride. Brakes and tires. Stopping power comes from twin Brembo M50 radial calipers on 320mm discs. They offer strong bite and great feel at the lever. The rear Nissan setup is solid and predictable. Pirelli Rosso 3 tires wrap the 17-inch wheels, offering confident grip on both dry twisties and everyday commutes. Final thoughts. The 2025 Speed Twin 1200 doesn't try to be everything, it just focuses on doing one thing really well, delivering a pure, responsive riding experience in a classic package. It's not the flashiest bike on the market, but it's one of the most satisfying. If you value character, balance, and timeless design, the Speed Twin is still one of the best in its class. That's it for today's ride on Motor Insight. If you enjoy honest, rider-focused reviews, make sure to subscribe and stay with us for more. Until next time, ride safe, ride smart.